The co-founder of Alibaba, Jack Ma, will resign from the board of which bank? Here the correct answer is SoftBank. So he will resign from the board of SoftBank. And SoftBank, it's not a bank, it's a Japanese telecom company. And who is the chairman for this same? So chairman is Masayoshi Son, which is so important. And by the way, Jack Ma is the co-founder of Alibaba, but not the CEO. Then who is the CEO? So CEO is Daniel Zhang, for the same, that means for the Alibaba. And here the correct answer is SoftBank. Which country long-time OPEC, that means the Organization of Petroleum Export Countries, Governor Hussein Kajampur Ardebeli has passed away recently? Libya, Qatar, Iran, Iraq. Here the correct answer is Iran, so he is from Iran, this person. And OPEC, that means the Organization of Petroleum Export Country, headquarters you will find in Vienna, which is capital of Austria. And Iran has a new currency, and the name of that currency is Toman. And Iran has also made a Robert Surena, and Surena which can speak up to 100 language. And Iran capital is Tehran, and Hassan Rouhani is the person. And Libya capital is Tripoli, Qatar Doha, Iraq Baghdad, and Iran, I've told you it's Tehran. And here the correct answer is Iran. The Board of Secondary Education of which state will no longer conduct the examination for the remaining subject of 10th board in the state? UP government, MP, Andhra Pradesh government, Kerala government. Here the correct answer is MP, that means Madhya Pradesh government. So they will not conduct the examination of 10th board, they will let the students pass. That has been recently decided by the government of MP Madhya Pradesh. So here the current answer is Madhya Pradesh government. And in Madhya Pradesh you will find, that means it has a three world UNESCO World Heritage Site. That means Sachi Stupa, Bhimbetka Caves, Village, Khajuraho Temple you will find in Madhya Pradesh. And UNESCO stand for what? So UNESCO stand for United Nations Education, Scientific and Culture Organization. And headquarter you will find in Paris, which is the capital of France. And here the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh government who had decided this. The Baltic nations have recently opened their border to one another, creating a coronavirus travel bubble, Baltic travel bubble. So which country is not a Baltic country? Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Albania. And here travel bubbles means what? So travel bubble means that you are only allowed to travel here. That means you can consider a bubble, and outside the bubbles you can't. So it's a, you can say it's a safety zone. And this is called a Baltic travel bubbles. And why it is called Baltic country? So all the country lies in the Baltic Sea, that's why it is called Baltic country. And which is Baltic country? So Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania is the Baltic country, and Albania is not a Baltic country. And Estonia capital is Tallinn, Latvia capital is Riga, and Lithuania capital is Vilnius. And Albania, it's not a Baltic country. So correct answer is Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania are Baltic country. What's the theme of International Museum Day 2020, which is celebrated on 18th of May? So Museums for Equality, Diversity and Inclusion is the theme for this SEM, that means for the International Museum Day 2020, which is celebrated on 18th of May 2020. Now taking up museums, we have a world-class museum which is called the Nehru Museum and Library. And who has become the chairman for this SEM? That means who has become the chairman for the Nehru Museum and Library? So name of that person is Nripendra Misra. And recently one more museum called Culinary Museum of Arts. It is India's first culinary museum. Culinary means what? So culinary means cooking. So Culinary Museum of Arts has been opened by a famous chef, and name of that chef is Vikas Khanna. So here the correct answer is Museum for Equality, Diversity and Inclusions, and this day is celebrated on 18th of May 2020. The United Nations World Economic Situation and Prospect report has slashed India's projected growth rate to what percent in 2020? So correct answer is 1.2%. So the United Nations World Economic Situation Prospect has slashed the India's projected growth rate up to 1.2%. And this is said by the United Nations. And United Nations established on 24 October 1945. And who is the Secretary General for this same? It's Antonio Guterres. And Antonio Guterres from which country? From Portugal. And Portugal capital is Lisbon. And don't confuse with Antonio Guterres with Antonio Costa. Antonio Costa is the Prime Minister of Portugal, but Antonio Guterres is the Secretary General of United Nations, and he belongs from the Portugal. So here the correct answer is 1.2%, which has been projected. by the United Nations. Who represented India at a second virtual trade investment minister meeting through video conferencing? Nirmala Sitharaman, Piyush Goyal, Narendra Modi, or Subramaniam Jaishankar. So G20 virtual trade meeting which he attended by the Piyush Goyal. So here the correct answer is Piyush Goyal, and Piyush Goyal is the Minister for Railway as well as Commerce and Industry. That he has a two ministry, Railway as well as Commerce and Industry. So the correct answer is Piyush Goyal. And Nirmala Sitharaman comes under the Ministry of Finance. Piyush Goyal comes under the Ministry of Railway as well as Commerce and Industry. Prime Minister is the Narendra Modi, and Subramaniam Jaishankar comes under the Ministry of External Affairs. So here the correct answer is Piyush Goyal. The Bundesliga is the primary football league of which country? Brazil, Germany, Spain, France. First of all, you have to know the name of that parliament of Germany. So Bundestag is the name of that parliament of Germany. So you can easily remember that Bundesliga is the primary football league of the country Germany. And Germany capital is Berlin. And Angela Merkel is the Chancellor of Germany. And according to the Forbes, the most powerful female in the world is who? It's Angela Merkel. So here the correct answer is Germany. And Brazil capital Brasilia, and Jair Bolsonaro is the prime minister for this time, and who was the chief guest for the 26 January 2020 in India. And Germany capital is Berlin, Spain capital is Madrid, and Pedro Sanchez the prime minister for this time. And in Spain you will find the headquarter of World Tourism Organization, and France capital is Paris, where you will find the UNESCO, United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization, and Emmanuel Macron is the prime minister for this time. And here the correct answer is Germany. Which company has announced a partnership with the telecom major Vodafone to boost 5G adoption in the world? Vivo, Huawei, Oppo, Samsung. So correct answer is Oppo. So Oppo company has announced a partnership with the telecom major Vodafone to boost 5G adoption in the world. So correct answer is Oppo. And Vivo, Huawei, and as well as Oppo are Chinese company, and Samsung is the South Korean company. So here the correct answer is Oppo. And India has a department called TRAI. That means the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. And who is the chairman for this one? So Ram Sevak Sharma is the chairman for the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. And Communication Minister in India's Communication Minister is Ravi Shankar Prasad, and his constituency in Patna Sahib. And here the correct answer is Oppo, who has announced a partnership with the telecom major Vodafone to boost 5G adoption. Which of the following state has a Charan Paduka initiative for the migrant laborers? So UP government, MP government, Andhra Pradesh government, Odisha. Here the correct answer is MP government. So this initiative was started by the state MP Madhya Pradesh, and this has been started for those migrant laborers who are stranded in Madhya Pradesh. So basically migrant laborers are walking barefoots and do not have shoes as well as slippers. So Madhya Pradesh government will provide them shoes as well as slippers to reduce their pain. It's a good initiative by the MP governments. And so the correct answer is MP governments. And Madhya Pradesh has a wildlife sanctuary as well as national parks such as Bandhavgarh National Park, Panch National Park, Panna National Park, Palpur, Kuno National Parks you will find in Madhya Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh is also a fan wildlife sanctuary. And here the correct answer is MP government.